really. Why are all the good girls always taken? Right women giving the wrong men chances, and vice versa. Here we go, y'all. Why are all the good girls taking every night? 'Cause I just want me one that I can call mine. Maybe you can be my boo. Why all the good girls always taking? Baby girl, listen up, my love is here for taking. Do you want it? My heart is on my sleeve. Give it to you, girl. You got to believe what I'm saying. I know you've been hurt in the past, but what I'm trying to offer, guaranteed to make it last. No trash, I take it out every day. I put my arms around you, show you I love you in a special way. I don't say everything what I mean. You can see it in my action. You can see it on the scene with your own two eyes. Close them and dream. I want to come into your life and become your spiritual king as I bring much to the table. I'm able like PlayStation. I'm able like cable. I'm here for you and for you only. I love you, girl, my one and only. Why are all the good girls taking every time? I just want me one to call mine. All the good girls taking every time, giving the wrong man the best chance. But baby girl, I'm trying to offer you romance, not our last dance. I'm not talking to us, and we on the same team together. It's dangerous if we doing good or if we doing bad. I let the whole wide world know you all I had. I'ma boast, I'ma brag about you, and there's no limit to all the things I'm willing to do. Just me and you and the whole world. I'ma tell you, girl, you're my baby girl.